Hi everyone, Alejandro here with Autel Robotics. Today we will cover Ludicrous Mode. Welcome to the flight deck. Ludicrous is defined as so foolish, unreasonable, or out of place as to be amusing, or ridiculous. This new feature added to Evo allows you to reach a top speed of 45 miles an hour in GPS mode, but there are a few things to know before your first flight. Always be aware of your surroundings and take preventative action to mitigate any risk. In Ludicrous Mode, Evo allows for a great angle of attack to achieve top speed. During flight at full throttle, Evo will lose altitude due to the increased angle of the flight. This can be dependent on weather conditions in your area. You may see more loss of altitude when flying into a headwind as opposed to flying in a tailwind. Once you let off the command stick, Evo will regain the altitude that it lost. Again, always be aware of your surroundings and remember, you are ultimately responsible as the pilot in command. To activate Ludicrous Mode, head to the Settings menu and choose Flight Control. Here we can find options for speed. In Standard, we have 3 options: 11, 22, and 34 miles an hour. By selecting Ludicrous Mode, we will unlock Evo's top speed of 45 miles an hour. A message will appear notifying you that obstacle avoidance will need to be turned off and to fly with caution. You can also enable Ludicrous Mode from the remote controller. Toggle to the live video display using the display button. Then scroll to the settings. From here, select flight controls and then speed. Lastly, choose Ludicrous Mode. Again, you will be prompted with a message to turn off obstacle avoidance and to fly with caution. Keep in mind, flying at higher speeds may cause unwanted gimbal movement due to the aerodynamics on the gimbal. In some instances, tilting the gimbal down to 50 degrees may help. To exit Ludicrous Mode, head back to the flight control options and choose Standard. Our team is always working to improve Evo's overall performance with free firmware updates, and current improvements are coming soon. But for now, when using this feature, please be aware of your surroundings and fly with caution to mitigate any risks. Thanks for watching, and so long from the flight deck.